Hey, this is a device I wish I had a long time ago. This is a laser digital measuring device. Let's say I want to measure from this wall all the way across from there, and then it just to push a button, I instantly have my measurement across the room. So they do have them in different measuring lengths. This one can measure up to 60 meters. That's about 196 feet. If you need to go even further, they do make them that can do that as well. The really cool thing with this is you can actually measure it two different ways. You can measure it from the top of the device, the front of it here to where you're measuring, or you can measure it from the back of the device across. You no longer have to put a measuring tape on the floor and measure the distance from where you are to the wall. Now all you have to do is use this digital laser measuring device. Now at the push of a button, you can see here and get the same measurement as the measuring tape, and I get that in less than a second. Now, if you want to switch from the unit from feet, you could do it to inches. You could do it to meters. So there's three different ways you could do it in meters, inches, or feet. It's very, very convenient. Another really cool thing is this does have two different levels on it. You're going to see one right here and then one down here, so that you can use those to make sure that your device is nice and level. If you wanted to get a measurement between your window here, you can very easily put that in there. That's how fast it is. And I now have the measurement of 4.137 feet. And it comes with this little wrist strap here. It also does come with this nice case here. Can easily fit that down in there. Has a nice strap here for your belt. You know, there's so many different projects, like when I remodeled my whole basement here, that I wish I had this device. Well, I do have it now. I'm glad I added it to my toolbox. Any further projects, this is going to come in super handy. So if you're looking for a way to do measurements for room layouts or anything like that, this is going to be a very valuable to this laser measurer here from Toy Tech. You can get a very quick and easy and accurate measurement. It's very precise.